everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true titan of the road, the BMW X7. This isn't just your average SUV, folks. This is a statement piece, a rolling testament to German engineering and automotive extravagance. From the moment you lay eyes on the X7, you know you're in the presence of something special. The imposing grille, the sculpted lines, the sheer size of it all, it commands attention like a runway supermodel. But the X7 isn't just about looks, it's got the brains to match the beauty. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious sanctuary. Nappa leather that feels like a cloud, a panoramic sunroof that lets the sky wash over you, and enough tech to put a Silicon Valley startup to shame. Touchscreens galore, gesture control, even a built-in refrigerator. The X7 wants for nothing. But don't let the luxury fool you. This beast is more than capable of handling itself off the beaten path. With its powerful V8 engine, adaptive suspension, and xDrive all-wheel drive, the X7 can conquer any terrain you throw at it. Whether you're carving corners on a mountain pass or cruising through the desert, the X7 delivers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. So, is the BMW X7 the ultimate luxury SUV? Well, that depends. If you're looking for something flashy, powerful, and packed with every imaginable gadget, then yes, absolutely. But if you're on a budget or prefer a more understated ride, then maybe look elsewhere. But for those who demand the best of the best, the X7 is an undisputed masterpiece. It's a symbol of success, a testament to innovation, and a rolling reminder that sometimes, it's okay to indulge in a little extravagance. So, what do you think? Is the BMW X7 your dream SUV? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic car content.